Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my review on this BCW single row gaming card storage box. So now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need a card storage box. Is this box actually right for you? Now, when you have it delivered to you, this is actually laid out flat for you, so it's easy to actually go ahead and deliver. So you do have to assemble the box itself. This box can hold about 1,000 cards, and the way that I organize it is that once you assemble the box, I organize mine based on type of the cards. Right now I have Pokemon cards in here. I do use this foam piece to actually use as a stop holder for the box. So if the cards are horizontal like this, the box should be able to close, but because I use this as like a standing box where I like to cycle through the cards and see which card I need, this still does come in handy. Now keep in mind, if you have top loaders, it is going to be a bit tight. It's not going to fit with top loaders, but it will just fit with the actual cards in the card sleeves themselves. But with that being said, the box is easy to use, it's light, it's durable, and it holds 1,000 cards or 550 sleeved gaming cards. And so with that being said, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.